In a few days, Fimi is about to release an updated, upgraded version of the Fimi X8SE 2022, adding a V2 at the end. So let's see what are the hardware changes. The overall design of the drone has not been changed. Mostly the change happened in the camera and in the bottom of the drone, mainly by getting a Sony half-inch 48 megapixel sensor and a new module slot that will come, I guess. I don't know if in the future there will be more other different models, but it will come first with a megaphone slash release and drop module that can carry up to 200 grams of weight. The release and drop part of the module can be used for many fun things, preferably nice things. The built-in megaphone, probably good for shouting to people from 10-kilometer distance. I hope the control for the module itself it's based on the overall control distance of 10 km, because that would be awesome. Because third-party drop-off systems like DIY drop-off systems only work within 150-meter distance maybe. The other change on the bottom is now the new V2 gets two gigantic landing lights and some additional landing sensors. Basically, that's all the changes. The world premiere price will be $499 between May 23 and 27 in the Fimi official store on AliExpress and in the website. That is only $50 difference versus the normal X8SE 2022, but you get a lot of additional features with the new module and module slot for future additional models. I will leave the AliExpress links in the description along with a coupon code that give you some additional discount on top of the launch day discount. I think you should try it. I will definitely.